Instant noodles are a fast, cheap and easy to cook food for the man on the go, but do you know they can kill you? Here we take a look at the top 10 reasons why we should avoid these sweet temptations. 1. Nutrient absorption. Noodles inhibit the absorption of nutrients for the children under 5. 2. Cancer. The ingredient in the instant noodles called styrofoam is a cancer-causing agent. 3. Miscarriage. Women who are eating instant noodles during their pregnancy causes miscarriage because it affects the development of a fetus. 4. Junk food. Instant noodles are enriched with full of carbohydrates, but no vitamins, fiber and minerals. This makes the instant noodles considered as a junk food. 5. Sodium. Instant noodles are power-packed with high amounts of sodium. Excess consumption of sodium leads to heart disease, stroke, hypertension and kidney damage. 6. MSG. Monosodium glutamate is used to enhance the flavor of instant noodles. People who are allergic to MSG consume it as part of their diet, then they end up suffering from headaches, facial flushing, pain, burning sensations. 7. Overweight. Eating noodles is the leading cause of obesity. Noodles contains fat and large amounts of sodium, which causes water retention in the body, and surely it leads to overweight, and obesity leads to heart problems. 8. Digestion. Instant noodles are bad for digestive system. Regular consumption of instant noodles causes irregular bowel movements and bloating. 9. Propylene glycol. The ingredient in the instant noodles called propylene glycol, which has an antifreeze property. This ingredient is used because it prevents the noodles from drying by retaining moisture. It weakens the immune system of our body. It is easily absorbed by the body and it accumulates in the kidneys, heart and liver. It causes abnormalities and damage to those areas. 10. Metabolism. Regular consumption of instant noodles affect the body's metabolism because of the chemical substances like additives, coloring and preservatives inside the noodles.